So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 0 to 100 a glam makeup tutorial. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below because I'm trying to get to 5k by the end of the year. And give this video a big thumbs up. Let's try and get it to 300. Let's just try, okay? We can do it. But today I thought I'd do like a 0 to 100, well like not 100, probably like a good 70. But you know what, I'm just gonna call it title. It's gonna be glam, it's gonna be cool, it's gonna be nice, relaxed. It's not really very chatty, it's just gonna be telling you about my products. But yeah, let's get started. Camera though, because I never do them on camera, but I promise I'll be doing a eyebrow tutorial very shortly. Okay, so I've done all my eyebrow, well all of them, there's only 2 of them. So I'm pinning my hair back so I look really ugly right now, but it's fine. So I thought I'd use my old fave, the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Textured Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be doing a halo eye. I'm not sure what colours yet, actually I'm kind of sure. But we're going to start off with Flamingo. And I'm using my Zoeva Rose Golden Luxe Crease Brush. And I'm just going to take that and go all over. Okay, so I've put that shade Flamingo on both of my eyeballs, and now I'm actually going to take Man Eater and go in the outer corner. Okay, so that I just put Man Eater in the outer corner of both of my lids. Now obviously we're going to like do like the halo eye, so I need my concealer and I'm going, oh hang on, using the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer, and I'm going to put up my hand first just to make it easier. Okay, and then I'm going to be using my little tiny midget Morphe M148 to do the little halo eye. And then I'm going to pack some of the shade, some of Moon Dust there. But yeah, now I'm going to just cut my, not cut my crease, but like do a halo eye. Okay, so obviously now to make it halo eye, we need to blend in the outer and inner lines of it, a darker shade. So I'm going to be blending the Man Eater and the cocoa shade together into it. Okay, so this actually isn't really a halo eye anymore, so that's alright. But now we're going to make this a bit more glam. So, oh no, I'm going to take my favourite glitter liner ever, the Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner. And I'm going to like put it, you'll see where I put it on basically, hang on. And that is the finished eye makeup. Okay, so now I'm moving on to skin makeup. The first thing I'm going to be using is to prime, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. Looks like this. And now obviously I'm going to use my all-time fave stick foundation, the Revolution Fast Base one in C1, and use my Zoeva Rose Golden 104 buffer with a little brush around it to make it more dense. And now I've done my foundation, I'm going to use my Bourjois Radiance Reveal Concealer for under my eyes, and then my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer for any blemishes. And now I'm going to be using my Baking with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and doing that with my Real Techniques setting brush. And then I'm going to be contouring with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in light to medium, and my Zoeva Face Shape 110, and I'm going to be using this shape here, this shade here, and also contouring my nose. MAC blush in shade Fleur Power with the Zoeva Rose Golden 126 Luxe Cheer Finish. And I'm just gonna go on my cheeks. It was a Sugar Glow kit, and I'm going to be using the shade Starburst and Marshmallow mixed together, or just Starburst. And for my Cupid's Bow highlight, and yeah, I use my Morphe E40. Then for everywhere else highlight, I use my Morphe G23. In a corner highlight, I use Morphe M148. Now I'm just putting on the TGH lashes in the style of a Lioness, and I just had to cut them down a bit because they were too long for my eye, but they look like this. And they're not too dramatic, but I want to be able to see the eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm going to go put these on. Lashes on absolutely horrifically, but honestly, I need to hurry up this video now. But for the lips, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner lip gloss in Cupid, and then put that on my lips because we want to look glam. Enough to do. Okay. Let's open my hair up. Spray a bit of Mario Bitterscoo. And that is the finished makeup. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I look a bit, the lips doesn't really go with the eye makeup and my eyelashes are half falling off, but that's not the point. Anyway, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this a big thumbs up, and I love you all so much. Bye!